from floor to the knee or floor to the waist. Before I start this tutorial, I will tell you this. You may take some time to get this trick. It took me 6 months to get this trick. So if you cannot do it right away, don't be stressed. Don't worry. It will take some time. This is a little bit of tricky trick. But if you practice slowly, you will eventually get it. So practice, 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 and never give up. You will get it. One more thing before we start. When you practice this trick, you may feel pain or you may get bruise on your feet or on your leg. When you feel painful, stop practicing and then do some other day. That's why I tell you it may take a while to get this trick. Because you need some rest if you feel painful. Shiho doesn't feel painful or I don't get bruise anymore. Because my body is getting used to do this trick. So I don't feel pain or I don't get bruise anymore. But when you first start it, you may feel pain or you may get bruise. In that case, take a rest and then do the practice next day. Anyway, I will give you some tips. Let's do it! Okay, so they only have 4 steps to do the kick up tricks. First, you're gonna put hula hoop on one of your foot. You can choose whichever the foot you like. I'm comfortable to kick up on my left foot, so I'm gonna put the hula hoop on my right foot. You can choose whichever the direction you're gonna spin. You can do same direction as mine, or you can do your direction. First, you put the hula hoop on your foot. Next, you're gonna kick up on your knee. And then, once your hula hoop spin, you're gonna kick in and up. I'm gonna break down and then do with step by step. Let's do it! Hula hoop on your foot, like that. This is easy. You wanna kick to start spinning with your other foot. Let's practice this. Kick, stop. Kick, stop. Kick, stop. Once you can do this, let's do other movement to get used to start spinning. Put the hula hoop on your foot. Start to front, back, front, back, front, back. This will get used to spin the hula hoop. Once you can do both two movements, now you can finally kick up the hula hoop. But if your foot, your heel start to get painful, get bruised, stop practicing this trick now and then you can do it later to practice again. So don't push yourself too hard. You can use your time to practice and eventually you will get this trick. Once you start spinning, you're gonna put your foot inside of the hula hoop and kick up. So it goes like this. Start spinning and kick up. Like that. I hope this tutorial helps you a little bit to get kick up trick. And again, if you cannot do right away, don't be stressed. It may take a while to get this trick. But practice, practice, practice. And then you will eventually get it. Never give up and just do it. That's what Shiho did. I'm doing the hula hoop for 10 years. And now I can do so many tricks. I practice hard, never give up, so I can do it now. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please press like. And if you want to learn any other hula hoop trick, please leave in the comment so I can share some tricks, some tips in the next video. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed Happy Hoopy Life channel, please subscribe the channel so you don't miss next hula hoop trick and then you can join my Happy Hoopy Life. Thank you very much guys. I hope to see you in next video.